this video, we'll take a look at how you can build up employee incentives while always staying aligned with your organization's goals using the SAP Commissions solution. Rather than having to create your own compensation plans, an easy-to-use drag and drop will help you set things up. This solution comes with a built-in library of rules that lets you compare, test, and roll out new plans and promotions without having to bother your IT department, and all through just one interface. With SAP Commissions, you can run calculations for different territories, verticals, teams, or geographies. It also helps reduce errors by automatically calculating commissions and bonuses across hundreds of complex plans. SAP Commissions comes with an intuitive mobile app through which sales reps can access relevant information while on the move. It features accelerators, bonuses, a what-if estimation calculator, so reps can forecast their potential income based on deals they're working to convert. And it even comes with a gaming element, which encourages friendly rep-to-rep competition. Its transparent commission data eliminates any shadow accounting, allowing teams to stay focused on winning those profitable deals. You can pay commissions to your reps as often as you choose, monthly, weekly, or even daily. The SAP Commissions solution comes with augmented intelligence that provides prescriptive recommendations so you can create smart and strategic compensation plans faster. Each sales rep can then use these plans to perform to their full potential and drive greater revenue for your business. For more information, go to cx.sap.com.